In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for a Binance account. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will gain access to one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing you to trade and manage your digital assets effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once the homepage loads, locate and click on the Open Red Chair button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of this action will direct you to the sign up page where you will choose your preferred method of registration, either through email or phone number. After selecting your registration method, enter the required information. If you opted for email, provide a valid email address and create a strong password that meets the security criteria. If you chose to register with your phone, input your phone number and set a password. Next, you will receive a verification code sent to the email or phone you provided. Enter this code into the designated field to verify your contact information. Once you have entered the verification code, you will be prompted to accept the platform's terms and conditions. It is essential to read through these terms thoroughly. After accepting, complete the initial sign-up process by clicking on the Create Account button. This will establish your account and allow you to proceed with the next steps. After successfully creating your account, log in using your newly created credentials. For enhanced security, it is advisable to enable two-factor authentication. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set this up and adjust any additional security preferences available in the settings menu. Regularly reviewing your login history can also help monitor your account's security. As part of the onboarding process, you might be required to complete identity verification. This step is crucial if you wish to unlock higher withdrawal limits and enhance your account's functionality. Once your identity is verified and approved, you can explore various features available on Binance, such as your wallet and trading options. Start with small transactions to familiarize yourself with the platform and ensure that you save your account details securely for future access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.